Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch special head unit for Subaru WRX Forester 2014 to 2017 year. Okay, this comes with install kit. This install kit. One is left, one is right. This comes with two harnesses with radio antenna, two harnesses. Other one also with radio antenna. Okay, let me introduce this Android 8.0 Oreo head unit. You can check this Subaru logo. You can change logo in here, and you can check Belsee. This is Belsee logo. Car launcher AGAMA version is too special for Belsee. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head units. Okay, that is telephone number and email address. You can change these colors, any colors. You can choose the blue. Okay, let me show. Let me check the system. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Already connected Wi-Fi. Okay, check the system. Byte machine, you can check PX5 octa-core rack chip. Android version is 8.0. Oreo system. Okay. And let me check its built-in Wi-Fi. Let me check internet. You can set this app Trump. Voice command you need to below it. I'm hungry. You can check this. I'm hungry. It will search automatically. I want to go to New York. You can check your location and it will show the New York. Okay, let me open our website, belsee.com. Okay, you can, if you have any more questions, you can visit our website, belsee.com. Okay, it's opened. It's our new model for BMW. New model. Okay. Let me show the navigation. You can check you download the hardware info, check the hardware. Rack chip PX5. Android version is 8.0 Oreo display. Memory RAM 4 GB. Okay, let me show Navi. Built-in Google Maps. You also can use your voice command. Okay. New York. New York. It will search New York automatically. Okay, let me show the music. This is USB driver, 2 USB cable. Connect. Let me check back. Okay. Music. USB 4.
It's my time, it's my life. I can do what I like for the price of a smile. I gotta take it to ride so I can live it, 'cause it feels right and it's so nice, and I'll do it all again this time. It's forever, it gets better, and I like how it feels.
It supports dual screen.
I like how it feels.
Split model.
I like how it feels.
Okay, it will show the New York, and you can use the navigation and music at the same time. You can use it at the same time. Amplifier.
Make this one. Let's make a beautiful world. Take my hand, it's alright. 'Cause tonight we can fly. So we keep living, 'cause it feels right. And it's so nice.
Okay, let me show the video. Video disabled while driving for safety, so you need to open the settings, car, drive settings, watch video on, so you can watch video. It supports 4K. Please send some 4K demo. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. This pin number. This is my phone Galaxy S8. Turn on the Bluetooth. Click search button. Sorry, I open it again because I off. Please do not stop. Okay, it will show my Galaxy S8 Plus. You put the pin number for 0. Okay, it changed the color. Let me make the phone call. Okay. Let me test the Bluetooth. You can try again if you meet this pair again. Okay, it's paired. Okay. Open the music from your phone. Volume control from your phone. Okay, if you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.